this is Tim here from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer files to your external drive on your iPhone. So this is very easy. Now the most important thing is to have one of these adapters. So depending on how old your iPhone is, you might need this lightning adapter where it looks like this, or an adapter that takes USB, turns it into USB-C. So just look at that. So you got your USB-C adapter, your lightning adapter, and then you can plug in your external drive just like this. And these are relatively inexpensive. If you buy them on Amazon, you probably get for like $2 or $3. So my older iPhone SE has a lightning adapter, so I'm just going to plug it in here. Okay, now that it's plugged in, it's very easy to transfer files to it. We can just go to our Photos section here. Let's go to Photos, tap on Photos, go to Select, and tap on a few photos here. So we can do this one, so let's tap it and select a few photos. Okay, now that I have a few photos or videos selected, we can go to the box here in the bottom left. Tap that, going down, and I can go to Save to Files right here. Then we can go back, and when you can see this different location where you can go to your USB drive, you can save it directly there. So we got locations, here's no name. For some reason, no name is my USB drive. Now I created a folder in here, new folder on the top, just for my pics on my external drive. Then I can go to Save Here. Now it's very easy to view these. You can go all the way to the right, go to App Library, go to Files. And there it is. So you can look at all the pictures on your drive. If you want to transfer photos back there, just go to Save. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.